Do you struggle wrapping oddly shaped items? It's okay, most people do, but you especially. You could just put it in a box. That would certainly make it easier, and it would look nicer too. But that's pretty wasteful, don't you think? Plus now your recipient is stuck with an unnecessary box, and that's just rude. Unless they're a cat. What you need is wrapping pouch. Wrapping pouch is the fun new way to wrap oddly shaped gifts. With wrapping pouch, you simply drop in your gift and close it on up. It's that easy. And making a wrapping pouch is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Step 1. Cut a piece of wrapping paper big enough to cover your item. Step 2. Fold over one edge. Step 3. Bend it over to meet the other side of the paper and secure it with some tape. Step 4. With the seam in the middle, on the back, crease it flat. Step 5. Fold in the corners and then fold over the edge. Fold it one more time and secure with tape. Now any professional wrapper will tell you you can wrap any gift with only 3 pieces of tape. But we're going to put a bonus piece of tape right here. It's going to make it work a lot better. Step 7. Repeat step 5. But don't tape it shut. Step 8. Unfold the flap, open the pouch, and insert your item. Step 9. Refold the flap and tape it shut. That's it. Doesn't that look good? Wrapping pouch beats all other options. The I tried. The candy wrapper. The Hobo Sak. The tape wad. The sandwich. And the best thing about wrapping pouch? You can make a whole bunch ahead of time and have them ready to use whenever you need them. Running late for a birthday party and forgot to get a gift?
Wrapping paper pouch to the rescue, right?
What? No. You're running late and you didn't even get a gift? You're a bad friend and or family member. You shouldn't even bother going at this point.
Oh. Yeah, I guess you're right.
And it's just wrapping pouch, you dumb Wrapping pouch. Try it today.
I'm trying it right now.
And the only thing left to do, snow.
Snow? Oh, no. Not again. Not in the studio. Not the snow!